Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. This is time for my week in review, and actually it's time for the month in review too, because it's the early part of May 2024. It just closed out April, so I'll go over that a little bit towards the end of this video. I thought I would, instead of just going through like my spreadsheet, I'd like to show you the thought process of some of my trades. So I'm going to go and review some of my trades. I took some videos as I did them, and then at the end we'll go ahead and review what happened so far this month. All right, let's get into it. All right, we've got 100 shares of this WBD stock, which is Warner Brothers Discovery, and my average cost was $8.50. I'm gonna go trade options and sell call, because I've got 100 shares. I can sell a call. I'm gonna go out 7 days. Today's Friday, so I'm gonna go till next Friday. And at $8.50 I can collect $19. The delta is around 0.3. Could go a little lower, collect a little more premium. The delta is about 50, so that's like half and half. Then I would end up having the shares called away, but then I would lose out on this 50 cents difference between the $8 and my cost. So I don't want to do that. I want to go to $8.50, which is my cost at least. I can't go really higher. I could go higher. Well, if it went to 9, I could make $50 between the $8.50 and the 9, but I don't think it's going to go that high. It hasn't really jumped around a lot in the last few weeks. It's actually gone down, so I'm okay just making a good amount of premium. It's not a lot, but it's decent, and it's a base hit. So I'm going to just go ahead and go for the 19 cents per share or $19 premium and review and submit. Put that in my sheet. So now I've got this PLTR put. The market's really jumped up today. I think it's because the economic news looks like job numbers came in a little bit less than expected, or a lot less than expected. And some other news that's pointed towards a slowdown in the economy, which means that the Fed may ease up on rates, or that's the thought process anyways, which is good for the market. That's my macro view. But I got this PLTR put. Looks like it's still out of the money, but it might drop and go into the money. It's kind of been in the money all week, except for now things have gone up so much. It's 2 contracts. It would only cost me $4 to buy this back and roll it out. The credit I received was $45. If I look at rolling this just to make premium, and I went to the 23.5 strike price, I don't mind owning these shares, but I can pick up $1.75 per share in premium here. And I know earnings are coming up, I think on Monday. They say don't trade on earnings, so this might be a risk for me, and I should maybe let this go. But I think things are going to look good for Palantir, and the earnings are going to be good, and things will go up. And I really don't mind owning these shares. I'm trying to pick up more so I can do less onesie-twosie trades with lots of stocks, and I want to do like more contracts on just a few stocks. So I'm going to make a move here and choose this strike price. So it's going to cost me $3 per contract to buy this back, and the new position selling to open at 23.5. I'm going to go up by $1, would be 178. So the total credit would be $3.50. Review order and submit. Put that in my sheet. Just like that, I went from $25 premium for the months to $375. Now I've got 2 contracts on this AI with a covered call at the strike price of 24. That has gone into the money a little bit. I don't want to let these go for less than my cost to acquire, which is, it's gone way down since I purchased these at $32.25. So I would take a big loss there. That's looking like $1,600. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to go ahead and roll this out. So it would cost me $35 per contract to roll this out. And if I went up in price to say 26, not a lot of premium, but saved myself the risk of having these called away at below my cost. At 26, the delta is 17, premium is 16, so definitely would lose on the premium. So I would have to pay 29 to buy this back per contract, and then I would make 16 per contract, but I just save myself the risk of losing these shares. If it goes above 26, I'll have to roll it out again, and it's going to cost me. But this is what they say never to do, is never to sell calls below your average cost, because it'll come back to bite you. And in this case, it has a little bit. I'm still making a little bit of premium, so I'm not totally losing out, but I'm going to roll this up. I think I'll just make the decision here with the delta 17 to get the $16 premium. And I'll have to go back and mark these other ones as rolled. AI is rolled. Cost to buy back was 32. And I'll finish these other ones up too. So now this SOXL $42 call, it's expiring today. My average cost for this is 44, I believe. Yeah, 44. It's been way down. It's been hard to make premium on this, but it's jumped up today. So I think I might just roll this out, get some premium, and get the strike price up near my average cost. So I'm gonna go roll this position. It's gonna cost me $2, and I can go up. Why don't I just go up to my average cost? Delta is 14. Make it $33, and then I won't have to worry about the shares getting called away for less than 44 my average cost. So I'm gonna make that trade. Let's go back to where this was. SOXL rolled, cost me $2. And I'll add my new trade here. All right, so here's another one, Unity Software. It's got a $25 call on this, trading at right around $24.60, pretty close to being in the money. I don't think I'm gonna risk that because my average cost is $30.50, so if it got called away, I'd be losing pretty big. So I'm gonna roll this out. I got 2 contracts here, so $4 each contract. Roll position. If I roll this way up towards my purchase price, pretty good premium there. Let's go to my cost, $30.50. It cost me $3 per contract. Gonna make $23 per contract. Boom. Okay, so let's go look at my sheet and see what actually happened. Some of these, in the videos I presented, some things changed while I was doing it, like this Unity Software did not fill, so I just did another trade there. So we'll go back through this. Starting off, all the ones that expired this Friday. SOXL, I rolled this out. I originally made $50. Cost me $2 to buy this back, so I put the new position here. SOXL, I made $32 premium there. Expires 5/10, and strike price is 44. That's at my cost. Next is AI. I rolled this out. I originally collected 50, cost me 64 to buy this back, so I lost a little premium there. Rolling this out to here, the new price, strike price at 26. I made $32 in premium there, so crawling that back a little bit. Next is Unity Software. This did not fill as was shown on the previous video where I was showing my trade, so I just did a buy to close here. So then I just opened a new trade, 2 contracts, strike price of 27. Total premium collected was 156. We can see here $78 is the premium I made. Times 2 is 156. So that's really good. SoundHound AI. I rolled this out. My original premium was 15, so I bought it back for 15, and then I did a new call, increased the strike price a little bit, collected $5 premium there. So this stock might go up. I'm just kind of seeing what it does. It's low cost, and I want to hold on to it and just see what it does. I think my average cost on that is like $7.50, so I'm going to hold this and see what happens. Then this PLTR, I rolled this out. Originally collected 22. It cost me 30 to buy it back, so I lost $8 here. The original strike price was $23.50. My new strike price is $24.50. Average cost is $23.50. So if I did, if these were called away, then I would make $100 on that, on the difference between the 23 and the 24. And I collected $121 in premium for that, so that's really good. Next is this PLTR put, 2 contracts at $22.50. Rolled this out, cost me $8 to buy it back. The new position, 2 contracts at $23.50. I collected $336 for this. Then I had this trade on SoFi. Strike price was 7. This was assigned. Collected $20 premium there. So that's it for this week. My goal of $1,000 a month was not met in April. I collected $726, so that's still pretty good. I'm happy with that, but still trying to hit my goals. Had a lot of market volatility and things go against me where I've had to spend money to buy things back. A lot of big ones here, 210, 50, 64. They all add up. So this was getting close to 1,000, but because I had to buy back a lot of things and roll things out, that I ended up with like 726, 79. But in May already, it's only the 4th of May, and because of all these large premiums I've collected here, I'm up to 702. So I'm well on my goal. I've got 3 more weeks in May to hit $1,000. So that's really good. I'm pretty happy with that. It's all gonna, I think, even out in the end. and the average return here is pretty good. I really appreciate you guys watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and like the video. It really helps me out, helps me support my channel. And if there's anything you want to see me do as far as educational content, just leave a comment in this video. And that's it. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks a lot. Bye.